We appreciate you choosing Green Bean Battery for your hybrid battery solution. Before we can confirm your appointment, we are asking you to review and electronically sign our service agreement. This video will walk you through the steps to access, review, and electronically sign our hybrid battery service agreement. Your sales representative has already sent the service agreement to the email you provided. You should also find it in your inbox like this. Go ahead and open the email, and the page should appear. Click on the Review and Sign button. A new screen should appear showing the exact terms of this agreement. You will need to review, input, and sign this agreement before we can confirm your appointment with our installer. Go ahead and click the Get Started button on the top right. Your name should already be populated in the field here. Continue to scroll down to review the rest of the terms and conditions. As you approach the bottom of the page, you will find your name is repopulated in this field as well. If you look below, you will find a placeholder for your signature. Click on the signature box. Here, it will prompt you to draw your signature using your mouse pad, or, if you're on a mobile device, you can sign with your finger. You will also have the option of typing in your signature as well. Go ahead and click on Insert. You will find that all the required fields are now complete. To submit this document back to your sales representative, click on the Continue button, found here at the top corner of the page. Before you leave, make sure you click on I agree, found at the top right of the page. Your service agreement has now been submitted. Our sales team will be notified. We appreciate you choosing Green Bean Battery for your hybrid battery solution. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call us at 888-473-7265, option 1 for sales.